Sometimes when checking out items to a customer, glitches will occur. I'm going to demonstrate a couple of them. I'm going to go to Circulation, Check Out, or I could have just hit the F3 key. I'm going to scan the patron's barcode. It is giving me a message, but it's not a message that's going to block the customer from being able to check out items. So I'm going to continue with the operation, and I am going to check out this book. Now I have a message saying, oops, we messed up. This didn't get checked back in before someone else tried to check it out. The message gives me the opportunity to go ahead and say, yes, I want to continue checking out this item to the new patron. And I would then hit enter. Now, often we will have an item that we try to check out and it doesn't have a record. For some reason there's a mistake somewhere, it got pulled ahead of its time and wasn't completely cataloged. Whatever the reason, I have an opportunity to fix this right now, as they said, on the fly, so that the customer doesn't have to go home without their item. So I can say, yes, I want to create the item on the fly, and I am going to type in the title of that item, and I'm going to put in the author. And say, okay, it tells me that it's a book, yes, and it has a 14-day loan period, and the fine limits for that are 25 cents, 5 and 0. And I'm going to say, okay. It will require full cataloging when it is returned, and I'm going to say, okay, that can be checked out. Now, to show you what happens when it is checked in, I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to click on the check-in square up here, which is done by picture. And I'm going to hit its barcode. It says the item is blocked because it was created on the fly. Yes, I want to continue checking it in, but I'm not going to put this book back on the shelf. I am going to put it in the stack for the cataloger to finish cataloging it. If I don't check it in and the cataloger doesn't realize that, they may go ahead and put it on the shelf, and there it will be sitting as the checked out item again. And that is how we would proceed to deal with an on-the-fly item.